Hello everyone, another day, another legal learning. Today, let's answer another query from a teacher. Muna yung pangutana. Can a principal ba daw demand a teacher to duty during summer vacation? Tara, let's talk about this. For public school teachers, the general rule is no. The school head cannot demand nor compel a teacher to do regular duty during summer vacation, not unless the teacher is validly designated for continuous duty during vacation period. Under the current DepEd guidelines, teachers are entitled for a 60-day end of school year break. Any work assignment given during this period must respect that entitlement. Legal basis, Commonwealth Act 220 and DepEd Order 009 Series 2025. Under Commonwealth Act 220, it states that summer vacation for teachers is vacation leave as a rule. And under the law, a teacher may be required to render service during summer vacation only if there is proper designation that teachers to continuous duty for the good of the service, signed and with approval from the higher office. So if the school head, in order to let the teacher do summer duty, it is legally defensible only if there is proper and authorized designation coming from the higher office. But if it's only internal instruction, well, the school head contravenes or contradicts the statutory rule of summer leave. Practical implications. If si school head ning demand ni teacher to do summer duty without legal basis, si school head ning violate siya o ning circumvent siya sa guidelines. Si teacher may politely say or cite DepEd Order 009 Series 2025 or Commonwealth Act 220. If si teacher voluntarily agree to render summer duty, o may problema na ano man, that's extraordinary circumstances. Bottom line, all public school teachers in the Philippines are legally entitled for a 60-day summer vacation leave. School head cannot demand nor compel teachers to do summer duty, not unless si teacher ning voluntarily agree and there is an authorized directive coming from the higher office. This has been Attorney Ken Norway Mersado saying, let's continue to empower our community with knowledge, dignity, and justice. So if you want to learn more videos about Philippine and educational laws, please follow, like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you so much for watching and God bless.